In this video, we will learn about lever. Okay, so lever is what? It is a rigid body can be turned about a fixed point is called lever. This fixed point is called fulcrum. The weight which is to be lifted is called load, and the force applied on the rod is called effort. Okay, so for example, this is the load, clear, and this is the rod. So rod is like this. You are placing a rod here. Okay, and this is the force by your hand. These are your hands. Clear. Now there is some fixed point from which it will be turned. Okay, so what you are going to do is this fixed point is there where you place this rod. So this is known as fulcrum. This weight is load as what? This weight which is to be lifted is called load, and from where you are applying the force, it is called what? Effort. Okay, so this is the diagram. This is the basic working of the lever. A lever helps us to lift or move an object with the less effort. If you have to move a boulder, you use a lever. If you want to take out the jam from the bottle, it is easier to do using a spoon rather than trying with your finger. Okay, and I hope that all of you try out to take jam from the fingers also and from the spoon also. So which is easier? The spoon one. Clear? Moving ahead. So here there are different type of levers. Okay, so you have to take a pair of the scissors, forceps, the pliers, bottle openers, and find out the points for fulcrum, load, and effort between them. Okay, so we will find out different position in which the effort is made, and then we will position the fulcrum, load, and effort in different cases. Okay, and depending on this position of fulcrum, load, and effort, we are going to classify the lever in three different types. So there are first class, second class, and third class lever. So the first is that the basic easiest way to remember is E, L, and F. Okay, E, L, and F. E for effort, L for load, and F for fulcrum. So first of all, we are going to talk about the first class lever. So in the first class lever, the fulcrum is between the load and the effort. Simple one. Okay. This is the fulcrum, this is the load, and this is the effort. Fulcrum is between load and effort. The examples are seesaw, hand pump. Okay. This one, the weighing machine, or you will say the beam balance, and the hammer. These are the examples of the first class lever. Moving ahead. Now, in the second class lever, the effort is on one end, fulcrum is on one end, and load is on one end in the between. Okay, so this is the arrangement in the second class lever. The examples are bottle opener, nut cracker, and the wheelbarrow. Where the load is in between, this is the fulcrum, and here you put the effort. The load is in between. Okay, this is the fulcrum. Here it is the load. Okay, as you can see this point, this is the load, and here you will apply the effort. Clear? Next is the third class lever in which effort is between, force is there, and there is on the like fulcrum as well as load is on the corners. Examples, fire tongs, where you apply the effort in between. Okay, load is there and the fulcrum is here. Okay, then the fishing rod, where you applying the effort on the between, fulcrum is this point, this is the effort, and here is the load. Likewise the bat. Okay, so where the when you are hitting the ball, okay, the cricket bat is there, so where you are applying the effort is in between. Clear? This is the load and this is the fulcrum. I hope that this is clear. So this is the different types of class levers. Okay, different classes of the levers. I hope that this is clear. This topic is clear to you. Thank you.